In this video, guys, I will share with you how you can cancel your commercial Bank of Dubai current account. So guys, as you can see here, I'm on the official website and the commercial bank Dubai account. So guys, up the account here, click on the section and click do I close my account here? As you can see here, should account holder decide not to return to UAE Dubai and are required to first clear the available balance and account. So guys, and the right to use customer care and using registered email with the bank of account and closure request will be action subject approval. You can close your account by basically contacting them via our email address, and you can connect via email or through bot chat. Is work 24-hour and all time work, guys. So guys, should what icon is here left and screen also call center. This is two way you can cancel your Dubai commercial account bank. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you.